The current statistical evidence indicates the need of further research. Studies suggest there may be a correlation between educational achievement and family ties. The aesthetic implications of this study have not yet been fully explored. Students must observe lab safety regulations at all time. She is an expert of the 18th century French literature. On this project, you will be asked to work as a group of 3. More females than males graduated from universities last year. Modern poetry often tests the conventions of language and rhythm. Meeting with tutors could be arranged for students who need additional help. Many of the most popular courses are available online. Journalism is the collection and publication or transmission of news. It's time to finalize the work before the Wednesday seminar. It is important to take gender into account when discussing the figures. I've got a tutorial in an hour and I haven't had any time to prepare for it. I will check again, but I am pretty sure we are supposed to read Chapter 2. I will be in my office every day from 11 to 12. I thought the midterm exam was only worth half of our course grade. Farmers do not always receive the price for agricultural goods. Doing this research makes me think of the purpose of science. Conferences are always scheduled on the third Wednesday of the month. Any text or references you make should be cited appropriately in the footnotes. Allergy problems do run in the family, but we don't understand why. The psychology department is looking for volunteers to be involved in research projects. Would you prepare some PowerPoint slides with appropriate graphs? A preliminary bibliography is due the week before the spring break. If you forget your student number, you should contact Jenny Bryce. We are delighted to have Professor Robert join our faculty. There will be a significant rise in tuition fees starting next year. We've decided to ask you to write 4 short pieces of written coursework this year. The Drama Society is now auditioning for parts in the student play. We like people to write a case study, describing an organization they know. In the past, students were required to complete 2 long written assignments. International students can get help with locating housing near university. This year we are applying to use a different type of assessment to this module. During the next few centuries, London will become one of the most powerful and prosperous cities in Europe. We've decided to ask you to write 4 short pieces of written coursework this semester. We offer a broad range of undergraduate and postgraduate courses. Try to explain how your ideas are linked so that there is a logical flow. The study showed that people's mood could be affected by news and weather reports. The research paper should begin with a thorough review of the literature. The inherent tension between these two features remains to be addressed. The first few sentences of an essay should capture the reader's attention. The results of the study underscored the discoveries from early detection. Your enrollment information, results and fees will be available online. However, this method is problematic in terms of accuracy. I've got a tutorial in an hour and I haven't had any time to prepare for it. Anyone who has a problem with their accommodation should speak to the welfare officer. We provide a wide range of courses to undergraduate and postgraduate students. The mismatch between the intended and reported uses of the instrument has become clear. In the last few weeks, we've been looking at various aspects of the social history of London.